Welcome back. In news overseas, residents across Antigua and Barbuda have been describing scenes after a powerful earthquake struck northeast of the country on Saturday morning. According to the Seismic Research Centre of the University of the West Indies, the earthquake occurred at a depth of 31 kilometers. There were no immediate reports of injuries or major damage, although residents across several communities reported strong shaking. Other countries that felt the tremor were the British Virgin Islands, Dominica, St. Martin, Guadeloupe, Martinique, Montserrat, St. Lucia, Puerto Rico, St. Kitts and Nevis, U.S. Virgin Island, Venezuela, Caribbean Netherlands, and Anguilla. The Eastern Caribbean experiences frequent seismic activities because the region lies near the boundary of the Caribbean and North American tectonic plates. The Primetime News package continues with sports after this break.